The important one is and I will give you tricks to solve this question. Yes, for this, look here. Just write a solution and let us consider a 2 into 2 matrix B what? A11, A12, A21, A22. Yes. Now you remember this? Yes. The value of Aij is this. Yes. So this Aij, given that we know that Aij equals to I plus j. Yes, that is A11 equals to 1 plus 1. Yes, that is 2. Again, A12 equals to 1 plus 2. You will get the answer 3. Yes, A21 equals to 2 plus 1. That is 3. Yes, again you will get the answer 2 into 2 by 2 matrix. Yes, that is A22 equals to 2 plus 2 equals to 2. You get the 4. Yes. Now element is, hence elements of Aij of matrix is what? 2, 3, 3, 4 is your answer remains. Yes. Now see here, what I give you tricks that if you construct this, then you can solve this all the solution. Yes? Yes or not?
Yes.
So first of all, to construct these elements, we have to look it on the board. I will give you a small tricks. Yes? See here. What is your 2 by 2 matrix? Yes. If you have given that 3 by 3 matrix, then what you will do? Just you write a big bracket, start a big bracket, and then put this is what? Row. This is what? Do you know this is row and this is column? Yes. Yes or no? Then what you will do? Just you give a like this. This row as a down, yes, and these 3 column as a like this. Understood? Like this. Just to give you like this. Understood? See here. What is the magic here? Is that tricks is that you just row like this. Column is alright, tricks is that. Okay? It's 3 yes, then A11, A21, A23, 1. Yes? That is just keep here 3 over 3. Yes? No, it's not 3. That is put here A. 1 to A1 and close the bracket. Now you just fill it. A 2 to
A23, A32, A33.
This 3, right? Understood? If you are given that, if we make the matrices of 5 into 2, then what you will do? You just do like this arrow in row and this arrow on column, that is 2. Yes? If you construct this, then you can solve all this. Yes? Whether here is this or here is what? I plus j square. Yes? Other is 2i square. Yes, you can do first of all that you have to construct this. Yes, construct this. If you have given an exam not 2 by 2 matrix, construct 5 by 2 matrix. What you will do? See here. What are given tricks that remember that put downward arrow in row and sideward arrow in column. That is, make a big bracket, and that is like A11, A1, sorry, 21, A31, A 2 column, finish A22.